I've been part of the Autism Tree really since before its inception. I met the Hoff family at a conference regarding autism, given that my son was relatively the same age as their son and also is on the spectrum. And that's when they discussed the fact that they were starting a foundation. I told them that myself and my family were interested, and it really kind of came to fruition at that point. Was involved in the first charity event that we had, which was combined with the Doug Flutie Foundation, and just have been part of it ever since. I've been a part of the neurodiversity conference also since its inception in different capacities. My involvement with the book club, or the Typers Book Club specifically, is based on the fact that it originated under the direction of Audalana and my daughter, Danielle Levy. And she's been a moderator for the book club for many years. And so I've always been a part of it and kind of grown into it with regard to discussing it, trying to make it more obvious to people that don't understand what's going on, and trying to allow the individuals involved in the book club to express their feelings, express their desires, give people a sense of who they are.